Unlock a flood of high-quality real estate leads directly from your smartphone using DealMachine. First, let's dive into driving for dollars, a powerful strategy for finding distressed properties. Open the DealMachine app and tap the Drive button to begin your route as you drive. Look for signs of vacant or neglected homes, like overgrown yards, boarded-up windows, or absentee owner indicators. When you spot a promising property, simply tap it on the map. DealMachine instantly pulls up critical information, including owner details, estimated equity, and tax data. You can then quickly save the property to your list, mark it as interested, and even add specific notes or photos right from your device. Next, let's explore list building, which allows you to generate targeted leads without leaving your desk. Navigate to the Leads section and select List Builder. Here, you can apply powerful filters to pinpoint specific types of properties or owners that align with your investment criteria. Filter by property type, number of bedrooms, equity percentage, lien status, or even absentee owners. This enables you to create highly customized lists, like vacant homes with high equity, or properties owned by out-of-state landlords. DealMachine automatically compiles these lists, saving you countless hours of manual research. Once you have your targeted leads, DealMachine streamlines the process of reaching out, whether through automated direct mail campaigns, skip tracing for contact numbers, or integrated CRM features to manage your outreach. DealMachine makes lead generation efficient and organized. Start generating your next high-quality real estate leads today by exploring the powerful features within the DealMachine app.